Okay, this is 3716 Marseille. It needs to be trashed out. There's still trash here, and the carpet needs to be cleaned. Walls are painted. They look good. Get the garbage out of the backyard as well. It's otherwise good back there. Clean this. All of this. Kitchen floor is good. Doesn't need to be replaced. What can I do? This is the laundry room floor, so I'm not worried about it. Just get it cleaned in here. Trashed out and cleaned. Otherwise, this is good. Trash out, clean the carpet, clean the carpet. Lights do work. So this just needs to be cleaned. We should be able to move it. I'd really like to see this one done.